Good morning for everyone. I hope you are doing well. My name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. This is the course Academical Experience 1, and this is my activity according to activity guide. And now I'm going to try to show you about my task and, and get to characteristic at the class and, and my choose class. Okay, the student in this for this workshop must be a about 30 and 16 years old, and the characteristic at this class is a growth are made up to adolescent between 13 and 16 years old who has a level as a A2 from Education Institutional Nuestra Señora del Rosario in Buenaventura City. Um, and apprentice learning style. And it is evident that the different learning style the teaching use in order to adapt his learning to a student specific, those who have different way to learning. These students have different style to learn. So what is the reason that I'm going to explain motivation? The student have motivation. It is important to do different things to keep the motivation in the class. For example, one of its main way is they use a flashcard, video. He help language learning acquisition because they are all used for teaching new vocabulary. And in social, it's important to have a good communication and relationship amongst the class. If you have a strong social style, you communicate well with people. It's important to know that. And visual, a student with visual style prefer using imaging, picture, color, map, organize information, and communicate with each other. Well, okay, part two, grow, strength and weakness. Need the grown need to work more in the way that talk and write. The grown works some conversation class a week, and to me this need. However, some students need more confidence to speak because they show shyness and feel fearful at doing so. I prefer to the minute participate a specific learning need, reading, learning, speaking, and writing. The most important need to read is the voice and tone, the understanding, and the lecture. Well, this is the straight and the weakness part 3. Okay, I'm going to show the worksheet implementation. This is the worksheet that I want to implementation in this institute and, and, and reading worksheet. In this worksheet, I will focus on reading ability. A student will analyze the given reading and answer questions related to the reading in class. This is for past simple reading comprehension. The student know, and I want to my student know about this topic, how to speak in past simple. Number one, write all where you find in the past simple tense, which are them are regular, which are irregular. Write infinity in irregular verb. For example, answer the question A. who was happy, who stay outside, what did the band do in the park, what did you force in the park, or something like that. This activity is to writing worksheet. In the present worksheet, I'm going to be focused on the writing skill, working in the topic simple, past simple, with school supply. The different points are developed, take between 5 and 10 minutes long. This is the, for example, we want to be one and then answer and question which word is correct, past simple verb. For example, the student choose this or this or this, that. And the second question is, where can you write the words? The word went, and the student need to show what is the correct answer. And the three, which word was in the space? You see the space? The student need to put the verb that he came to choose, and so forth. And we are going to have vocabulary in the past simple, in regular verb, and irregular verb. For example, these are new words: get, forget, keep, work, bring, catch, mistake, ring, take, eat, trip, wind, understand, swing, put, hold, and so forth. This is activity 2. Organize the follow sentences with the respective structuring. And for example, in the one, the student need to organize this word. For example, you worked very hard last week, and the student need to organize these words. And for example, in 2, she, they, yesterday, newspaper, read. The student need to put in the right organization and do this, and so forth, etc., etc. Activity 3, complete the crossword puzzle with a verb in the past simple. The student need put a name on it and try to complete the crossword with a verb in the past simple. The past simple, this is the verb in the past, and can, lost, forgot, add, and the student need to put in this place the complete the cross puzzle. Okay. Summary about the worksheet implementation. I'm going to try to read. In the creation of the worksheet is the development of the activity, the methodology that were involved were in the audio lingual method and total physical response. Okay. Okay. A screenshot of the practice environment simulation. You can find it on the internet. I'm going to put the link. Okay. In conclusion, language learning strategy, an important variable are individual different and second acquisition play a crucial role in language learning and attract a lot of attention from researchers and teachers, no matter English as a mother language, second language, or foreign language. Is considered with that. Okay. This is all for today. I want to show. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you are doing well. Okay.